Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Miss Kitsy again, and in this video 5x7, yes, this is the size of the frame I just ordered from Meeso. I get it like around 35 bucks each, and let's see how it is. So the packaging was very normal, just this way, and the earlier frame I ordered, it was plastic glass, but this was seems like glass, actual glass. Okay, you can see there's 4 white and 5 black, and yeah, it's looking pretty, I think, and it is glass. Okay, let's remove this plastic layer, and then we can see a white coating on the border side. Just you can remove like this. Yeah, wow, it's pretty, it's clean, neat, I like it. And here is like 0.2 mm glass, not that bad, but it's good. It's really affordable and perfect. I'm gonna give the link in the description, you can buy from there if you want. Okay, so same, let's open one black piece. I was shocked when I see the box. Look at, they packed the whole frame like super normal way, like it's glass, but I'm surprised that why none of them is broken. See, this black one is beautiful, and yeah, I like it. You get it in 30 bucks, and what else you want? It's amazing. 30-40 around, its price get up and down, and I think it's good under 50 rupees. You must order it if you want something like this. I really like this frame, by the way. Yeah, I give it plus 4-star rating. I don't give 5 because I don't like the corner cutting of it. It didn't give me proper finishing. Otherwise, the frame was amazing. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel for such videos. Have a great day. Bye. Be creative.